to try the case and turn down the $10 million offer. And so it really doesn't tell you a lot. In fact, recently we had a lawyer here in Texas who advertised a result of a $1.5 billion verdict or judgment. It turns out, however, that was a default judgment, right? The default judgment is when the other side doesn't even show up. That would be like the Texas Longhorns advertising they beat this team 50-0, but then you find out later the other team didn't show up for the game. So that sort of a result doesn't tell you anything. And so in fact, because of that advertisement, the Texas Supreme Court had to change the advertising rules to deal with that sort of deception and misleading information. So it's really hard for the consumer to take information about settlements and verdicts and really apply it to where they can figure anything out about whether the lawyer's qualified or not. So the best thing I can tell you, when you're interviewing a lawyer after a car wreck and you're trying to pick which lawyer you want, ask them the hard questions. How many cases like this have you done? How many cases like this have you tried? What's been your results? Because trial experience is important. And if the lawyer's offended by your questions or taken aback by those questions, not the guy for you. And so don't be shy. Ask the hard questions.